a beautiful day. The sun is shining. This is a nice spot. The light is good. Where is my phone? I want to take a picture. Here it is, my smartphone.
I tap the camera icon. Click. I need the front camera for a selfie.
Now I see my face. Hello, me.
The picture is blurry. The lens is dirty.
I will wipe it clean. Gently. That is much better. Very clear now.
The sun is behind me. My face is dark.
I must face the light. Turn around. Now my face is bright. Good lighting. Oh no! The wind messed up my hair. Smooth it down. Look neat, please. I tuck my hair back. There. Hold the camera high. It looks nice. Too low. I do not like this angle. This height is perfect. Just right. I try a big smile. Cheese! Maybe a serious face? No, too sad. A soft smile is best. Natural and happy. Get ready to click. 1, 2. Snap! I took the picture. Let me check the photo. How does it look? Oh no! My eyes are closed. That was a bad photo. Try again. Arms up. Focus the camera. The yellow box finds my face. I tilt my head. It looks cute. What do I do with my hand? Maybe here. No, that looks silly. Hand down. Relax my shoulders. Look confident. This feels right. Hold it. Click. Another photo taken. Let's see. Wow, this one is good. My eyes are open. My smile is bright. I zoom in to check the details. Yes! I look happy in this one. The trees look green too. Nice background. Should I add a filter? Change colors. No filter. I like the real colors.
I will save this photo. Keep it safe.
Look at the other photos. They are funny. Delete the bad ones. Clean the phone. Goodbye, blurry photo. Gone forever. The screen is nice, but the park is better. Time to walk again. I have my memory. Put the phone away. Safe in the bag. Zip it up. Do not lose it. I continue my walk. It is a lovely day. Oh, look! Red flowers. Should I take another selfie? Maybe. No, one is enough. Just enjoy the view. It smells sweet. Nature is amazing. He is posing too. Funny bird.
What time is it? Almost lunchtime.
Here is the gate. Time to leave. Push the gate. It squeaks. Back to the street. Cars are driving. Is my phone safe? Yes. I will show the photo to my mom. I am walking home near now. I am walking home now. I am back home. The walk was short. Where are my keys? Ah, here. Turn the key. Open the door. Inside again, safe and sound. Perfect selfie! What a fun day!